A wise man once said, "Traveling is the most powerful way of self-healing." Each trip is more than just a change of place. It's a journey inward. Every station, every street, every stranger becomes part of my story. For me, solo travel is a dialogue with the world. Sometimes fast-paced, sometimes quiet, but always revealing something new. This isn't just about where the road leads, but what it uncovers along the way. Another chapter begins here, and the journey continues.
There's always a special feeling in the moments just before a journey begins. As I walk towards the train, the air carries a mix of anticipation and calm. The station buzzes softly around me, yet my focus is on the tracks ahead. Each step brings me closer not just to a destination, but to the unfolding story of travel itself. The rails are waiting, and the journey is about to begin. The platform stretches ahead, and waiting beside it is the train that will carry me across the miles. Each step along the platform is a step deeper into the journey, a quiet transition from familiar to unknown. The intercity train waits, and with it, the promise of the road ahead. The ETS Intercity is Malaysia's high-speed electric train service, connecting major cities across the country with comfort and efficiency. With spacious seating, smooth rides, and large windows framing the passing scenery, it's one of the best ways to experience the journey as much as the destination. As the train pulls away from Kuala Lumpur, the tall buildings fade into distance. The city's rhythm slowly softens, giving way to open fields, quiet villages, and stretches of countryside. With every passing mile, the landscape shifts and the journey truly begins. After hours on the rails, the train slows as it approaches Pedang Besar, the gateway to Thailand. The final Malaysian stop, where journeys pause, papers are stamped, and borders quietly shift. Beyond this station, a new country and a new chapter await. Stepping off the train at Pedang Besar, the air feels different, quieter, heavier with anticipation. This border station is more than just a stop, it's a stopping point between two worlds. Ahead lies immigration, and beyond it, the first steps into Thailand. With my bag in hand, I make my way through Pedang Besar station. The journey pauses here, at the border, where every traveler must pass through immigration before moving forward. Each step brings me closer to the counter and one step nearer to crossing into Thailand. With immigration behind me, I step out onto the platform once more. Waiting here is the train that will take me across the border. A new chapter of the journey is ready to begin. Walking down the platform, I catch the first real glimpse of the Hat Yai Express waiting ahead. Each step feels like a crossing, leaving one country behind and stepping closer to the unknown. The journey to Hat Yai begins right here, on this very platform. This is Thailand's second-class train, simple but practical, designed for everyday travelers. The seats are wide and open, the windows slide down to let the breeze in, and there's an old-world charm in the rattling carriages. It may not be luxury, but it's affordable and offers a front-row seat to the landscapes of southern Thailand. As the train rolls out of Pedang Besar, the border fades into the distance and Thailand unfolds outside the window. The journey from Pedang Besar to Hat Yai is more than just a border crossing. It's a slow drift through southern Thailand. From the window, you see endless rice fields shimmering under the sun, tall palm trees swaying gently in the wind, and small villages where life moves at its own unhurried pace. The train slows as we pass through Klong Gae, a quiet town surrounded by greenery and gentle hills. It's one of those small stops that most people pass without noticing, yet it holds the simple charm of everyday Thai life. The rhythm of the track carries me past villages, fields, and endless stretches of green. From Pedang Besar to Hat Yai, every frame through the window feels alive. The golden glow of the countryside, the scent of rain on distant fields, and the laughter of children when the train passes by. It's a stretch of fallow land that only few tourists really see. As the train slows and the sound of the track softens, the city of Hat Yai comes to view. The quiet countryside gives way to busy streets, markets, and the hum of daily life. After hours on the rails, the border fades behind me and Thailand truly begins here. Stepping off the train in Hat Yai, the air feels warmer and livelier. The station hums with movement, travelers, vendors, the sound of trains arriving and leaving. Every journey has its moment of arrival, and that is where mine begins. Walking out of Hat Yai station, the city greets me with its warmth and rhythm. The air is thick with the scent of street food, the buzz of tuk-tuks, and the sound of life in motion. A new place, a new pace, and the adventure truly begins here.